Okay guys, today we're going to do a review on the 2011 Cabbage Rolls IMP from Canadian Forces. So we're going to open this bag up here now and get in there and show you what's inside of it and get this review on its way. So just get this opened up. As you can see, it's nicely packed in there. Nice even packing job. So we're going to get everything out of the packaging here for you and get it all laid out. So here's our main course, cabbage rolls. And then we got our dessert here. What we got for dessert today? We got sliced apples. Woohoo! All right. We got a Hershey's Cookies and Cream chocolate bar, a lemon sports isotonic drink, a Nescafe caramel flavored coffee, some Ritz sandwiches with cheese, some Type 1 coffee, some instant whitener, some Tabasco, a Werther's, some gum, salt and pepper, some matches, some sugar, the juice bag, the big napkin, a wet nap, a toothpick, the questionnaire again, and the big old spoon. So that's what comes in this meal. We're going to get it all opened and out onto some serving bits, and we'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so while we're waiting for the entree to finish boiling up, we're going to set up all of our warm drinks here. Well, that smells good. Give that a pour. So that's the Nescafe caramel flavored. And then we got a instant coffee type 1 with 1 sugar and 1 creamer we're going to add to our second cup here. There we go, got all that in there. And last but not least, we're going to make our lemon isotonic sports drink in our gusseted bag here. So. Fill it up to the line, and then shake it like you mean it. Oh, that's our hot entree ready. Just gonna turn that off, and we'll get some hot water in our coffee and our then we're going to need a paper towel. Just a little clean up there while it's drying up the table. We'll give this coffee a stir. we'll stir up this caramel beverage. It looks pretty thick. It's got a little bit of a foam on it. It's almost like a cappuccino style drink. We'll let those cool down a little bit. We'll take a sip of our isotonic, and we'll take a brief pause. And when we come back, we'll have our entree ready for a trial. Okay guys, so here we go. We got our main course and our dessert. We're gonna get this main course open and get it out into a bowl, and then we'll open up the dessert after that. So this is the cabbage rolls. Smells fine. We will be giving it a try no matter what. Whether they're good or not, we will find out. And there we go with the apple slices. I don't know if you can see that, so I'll move it over for you guys to get a clear view. And now I'm gonna give this cabbage roll the old tongue-numbing taste test. It looks good, it smells good. And I think that's edible. Yeah, and it's pretty tasty. It's nice and rich with the spices and so forth and so on. Do you want to try a little bit, little man? So yeah, cabbage rolls, very tasty. Lots of flavor. The sauce could be a little bit thicker, but I mean, it is a boil in the bag, so it's getting a thumbs up from the little man. He likes it quite well. So definitely a pass. Try one of these apple slices. Oh yeah, quite yummy. Try one, little man.
Yeah.
So yeah, so then we got some Ritz cheese and cracker sandwiches and a Hershey's cookies and cream chocolate bar, which I'm not going to get into today right now, but you know, because they're standard off the shelves. So that's the 2011 Canadian IMP Cabbage Rolls lunch. And again, the contents of that was cabbage roll, boil in the bag package with 2 cabbage rolls, some apple slices, a coffee type 1 instant with sugar and a creamer substitute, a caramel style coffee beverage, a lemon sports isotonic drink, you know, your treats, the Ritz crackers, the Hershey's bar, the gum, the Werther's, salt and a pepper, and a hot sauce. 2011 cabbage rolls, very tasty and 100% edible at this time. As long as they were stored properly and maintained, I would say you're totally safe. So that's another video in my series, A Day in the Life. We're going to work our way through a handful of rations that I have. And we're going to come back with you next time, probably going to review a U.S. ration for a change of pace. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and have a great day all. Bye for now.